She dreams of rest, of being taken care of a break, of a single opportunity to kick her feet back and feel the world move around her for once.
What is this magic? I need that magic.
What it is? What's up? Got your nigga in the club. Goddamn, what it is? What's up? Hey, got your nigga in the club. Goddamn. All right, so this is Hillary. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I'm gonna be featuring Baby King. It's me. My girl, Mishay. She over here. Listen. Okay, so for those who know me, you guys know that I love African music. Like, that's all I listen to. Listen, shout out to Mr. Easy, Mally Berry, everybody. Listen, okay, y'all about to see this. We're about to do a lit Afro playlist video tonight, so get ready to shake that ass tonight. Ready, okay? Thank me later for these jams. All right, listen, I could legit DJ for y'all at a party. Oh my god. Thank me later. All right. So listen, I'm so sorry, sis. We're gonna get to Davido. But this next song is by my boy, Mr. Easy. Y'all know this one. Oh, we can do the dance. I don't know it. It's your boy Easy. Oh.
It's E. Kelly.
Oh baby, pour me water, holy water. When this fire, pour me water, holy water, make it quench this fire. Everybody want me, make I know fall in love with you. But I know answer them, I tell them say now you. Right now you come and then you play me for a fool. I'm out here wondering, waiting on you. Oh baby, pour me water, hey, holy water.
Alright, you guys, this next song is by R2B's. They're dropping a new album, by the way, so if anyone is a fan, it's called, I'll just tell y'all, just listen, okay? Alright. Everybody come up. Are you ready to listen? Listen, this is what you tell these niggas. Listen. When they disrespect you. Okay, that's what you tell them. It's over. My baby, it's over. It's over. It's over. When you stop replying, they take a minute and they can think about the dumb thing they just said, and then they just want to hit you up because they're like, oh shit, I'm so freaking stupid. So they won't blow up your phone. So you gotta tell them when they blow up your phone, it's over, my baby, it's over. All right, okay, next. Exactly, next. So up to the next one. So, this next one is by one of my all-time favorites. Shout out to Shady and Wizkid. Okay, so sis just broke the bed with her fat. Right. So this next song, y'all absolutely do not know it, but he's an upcoming artist. That's my husband. Shout out to Xoxo. Xoxo Wonder. Alright. Woo! Always number one will never be number two, honey. You hear me?
Baby, you the one, no be number two. And you know that's true. Put it on me, baby, guy, baby. Listen, we can get tipsy, we can get freaky. We be getting tipsy, we be getting freaky. You can roll one up, you can get litty. I'll be shooting for the stars, baby. You can come with me. But for now, make you keep back and sit pretty.
I'm coming, This is my husband. Malik, if you watching this or not, whatever, I love you, okay? You can hit my line if you want to, Malik. It's okay. Share.
You give me life, you give me life. When you start to whine, my body is your body. Yeah. Oh, my money is your body. Yeah. On your own, you need somebody. Yeah. Baby, tell me why she don't want fuck you. Yeah.
Minutes. My favorite song. This kind of guys, I think we need to do that thing we did on the wall again.
If I tell you do like this, I'ma show my do like this. If I tell you do like that, I'ma show my take up to the left.
Banana. This for all the niggas that unfortunately we do not follow back. We can't follow everybody back, but we notice you. Thanks for the love. Baby K, you got something to say? Michelle?
Well, I want y'all to know that I love you guys so much.
Can't follow everybody back, so
I'm sorry if you guys
besito,
can't see me
besito,
right
besito, besito.
All right. Let's do this.
Follow me back, please, madam. Me like how your pics on Instagram. Follow me back, please, madam. Me like how your pics on Instagram. So tell them what the boys, I can get enough of you. Please, madam. Me like how your pics on Instagram. Follow me back, please, madam. Me like how your pics on Instagram.
I'm here to tell y'all, Africans do everything better. So I hear about this boot up remix there, boot up remix here. Boot up. But listen, I got a boot up remix for y'all. Y'all ready?
Y'all gonna love that shit.
If you like this, subscribe, like, comment. I'm gonna write it down below for you. All right?
Whoever artist this is.
Yes.
For you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Ooh, and I never get over you until I find something new and get me high like you do.
I like your waist and your body.
Boot up,
Good, they call me your daddy.
boot up,
You are the life of the party.
boot up,
We are the feel your body.
boot up,
I like your waist and your body.
boot up,
Good, they call me Zaddy.
boot up,
You are the life of the party.
boot up,
We are the feel your body.
Boot up. We're not boot up though. Okay, so now I'm gonna play Aquaba by my favorite, all-time favorite Mr. Ethan. You already know this, so we're gonna actually perform the dance for y'all.
Who's
So-
we? Say something.
What? No.
I don't know it.
Oh, that song. I know it. We are Dunzos.
Thank you so much for watching me and my little family, my sisters, and we'll catch you guys next time. We hope that you guys bumped and had fun and danced and don't let nobody kill your vibe. Shine your light all over the mother freaking world, my nigga. All right. So
Anyway, like this video if you want to see part 2 of this lit Afro playlist. So let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next video.
And follow us.
Follow us. Everything will be in the description box.